Good afternoon or good evening. It's actually Tuesday, the 4th will be with you. Everybody's saying that today. The 4th will be with you. I'm here at the ranch. You might want to excuse me. There's a lot of gnats. I'm gonna put on the mask because there's a lot of gnats right now. Basically because it looks. I'm gonna turn the camera a little bit here. It looks like evidence of a thunderstorm might be approaching us, and also because the gnats are present. So when the gnats are present, that's because something's gonna go on. Something's gonna happen. Watermelons are pretty much the same size as of yesterday's video. Pretty much the same size. They haven't grown that much. We were expecting some rain earlier today, but although I slept most of the day, there was no evidence of any rain. But still, other than the lightning that's coming out of the east part of the county, I'm sure it's probably raining towards the Austin area, because we're in the northwestern part of Austin, and it's pretty dry right now. But if we look towards the east, towards where the Austin area, Metroplex area, it looks like rain that way. And of course, naturally, we have a northern wind blowing, but it's not even cold. It's just ordinary wind coming from off the north. As I say again, the reason I got the mask is because there's a lot of gnats and they don't let me talk. I would accidentally end up swallowing a gnat, and you don't want to see me puking. We got Raul here. I'm gonna put the camera down so you can see Raul. See? That's Raul. Oh. Yeah, that's Raul right there. Now, let me put this back. Raul is one of our ranch dogs. Not Blackie. See, every time I call one dog, all of them come. They all want the attention. Hopefully we don't get any rain. I just washed the truck. I hadn't washed it for a few days because of the same reason it was wet, because it had rained a few days ago. Nothing much going on today here at the farm. I already pretty much checked all the inventory of the equipment, checked all the gates. The cattle is fine. We got somebody taking care of the cattle anyways, but still, just thought I'd still make my daily blog. So hopefully everybody's doing okay wherever you're at around the world. I just finished eating dinner. I usually eat the same thing. Well, not every day, but I went to Lynn's Express. I ordered what they call the shrimp broccoli, but I'm talking about jumbo shrimp, real good shrimp, Gulf caught shrimp, ocean caught shrimp. I don't know if it was from the Gulf of Mexico. You can taste the ocean water in it. You taste the fact that that little creature came from the ocean and not from a shrimp farm. White rice, a little small cup of hot and sour soup. That's it, and a couple of fortune cookies. I haven't eaten those yet. Washed it all down with the bottled water that's not manufactured by the Coca-Cola company. Anyway, I'm gonna let you all go. This is starting to get dark. I don't know how much light this camera can capture. I seem to look okay. Now I'm talking to you from the GoPro Max on hero mode, not on 360. My Insta360 One X2 ended up with a little virus. Somehow it got sick. It just said it's just sick. It's out of commission for now until I can get it, until I can give it the right medicine. So in the meantime, for now, y'all take care of yourself, maintain your social distancing, maintain yourself active to the Christian church of your choice, and as a small gesture, just want to say a special greetings and a hello to most of my friends in the Philippines. We got Evelyn Barrows. She lives in the area, in the Leyte area. We got Rowena, what was her name? Her last name's very hard to pronounce. But she seems to be doing okay. I don't come out on Facebook that much anymore, so we got Patricia Gapiliano. She lives in the Cebu City area. I believe last time I heard she's the head supervisor for something that DirecTV affiliated, if you know the name of the word, type it in below on the comments. Convergys. She's the floor manager for Convergys telemarketing for DirecTV over in Cebu, Philippines. The only other person I can think of is Ella Wines Duenas. She's my ex-sister-in-law. I don't know where she works, but she does look at my videos most of the time. Anyways, the winds are picking up. I'm gonna start processing this video, and we'll see you in tomorrow's vlog. Y'all take care of yourselves, and God bless. I'm trying to find the GoPro remote. I can turn it off.